When I was younger, my mother used to compare me to a robot whenever she was upset with me. I get overwhelmed easily by instructions. Like a robot that malfunction when the order get punchy and all at once. Now that I think about it, if I were a robot, I would have been a Roomba. Roomba are slow. They do the same thing over and over. Roombas aren't creative. They don't have the capacity to think or do much. To be honest, they probably don't even enjoy what they're doing. The thing they do is tedious, time-consuming, and never-ending, and they still keep at it. Again, and again. Joe wants to start, really. What else could they do though? It's not like they could do any other job either. They're not good at anything else. All they know how to do is clean. What other job could they do?
หลีกทางให้ผมหน่อยครับ ผมกำลังทำงานอยู่ หลีกทางให้ผมหน่อยครับ
Life's hard when you're mediocre, I think. I think the idea of failing is scarier than actually failing. I'm just tired. Tired of worrying. Still, stupidly, I think I desperately held on to the hope that things would work out. Because I do want it to. Some part of me wanted to work out. More than anything.